Hello girls, welcome to my channel. And I was thinking what video should I shoot next. So I thought why not some products which I love the most, and the most used product which I use is Body Shop. So I thought that let me show you my top 5 Body Shop products which I always refill in my vanity. So in this video you are going to see amazing Body Shop 5 of my favorite products which I use from Body Shop. So I think the first product which I like of Body Shop is a face wash. This is the Body Shop Tea Tree facial face wash. This comes in a gel. It's little green in color and it has a little tea tree smell. It is very good for oily skin and acne prone skin, and also for dry skin people, because this doesn't dry out your skin or it doesn't have any excess oil left over after you wash. Because after you wash this your face with this face wash, it gives you a very fresh feeling which removes all your excess oil without making it very dry, and keeps you hydrated and just cleans your skin very nice. So you'll feel very fresh after washing your face with this face wash. So this is 250 ml bottle, which is a big bottle for a face wash. It will go to for like 5 to 6 months, and it's around like 695 rupees. It's a little costly, but it will go like for 4 to 5 months for sure. This, because it's in a very bigger bottle, and for acne prone and for blemish prone skin people can use this face wash. It's amazing. It removes your acne and also the blemishes which you have on face, and keeps your skin very hydrated and gives you a very clean and very fresh look. So this is my go-to face wash all the time which I use, and my top in Body Shop. I will give you the product details in the description box below, which you can go and buy it also. My second product which I really like from Body Shop is the Body Shop Shea body lotion. So I have a very oily skin, and I have to make sure that I use products which are not oily and not sticky and absorbs to the skin very quick. So this body lotion, after just applying, it just vanishes and hydrates your skin so good, so well, and it has a very good shea butter smell, and it is a very nice body lotion. So this body lotion comes in 250 ml of 545 rupees, but you have to use very little, and you can apply it on your body, and even I sometimes apply it on my face. It just absorbs into your skin so much, because I don't want that sticky hyper oily moisturizers which will give you that very oily look, considering I have a very oily skin. So this is my go-to favorite body lotion moisturizer from the Body Shop. It is amazing, a must try. Once your body moisturizer which is already getting over, you can always try this one. So my third favorite Body Shop product is a shampoo, which is the Body Shop Strawberry Clearly Glossing Shampoo. This is my favorite shampoo because, as you know, I have a oily scalp, I have oily skin. So this shampoo gives you a very good shine on your hair, and also it is silicone, 100% silicone free shampoo. It gives you very good volume, and the best part about Body Shop products are these are vegan and cruelty free products. So I like it anyhow because of these little points. I give additional points to Body Shop. So this shampoo is amazing for people who have very oily scalp, because when you wash with this for I think 3-4 days, you will not have that oily scalp issues. It gives you good volume for people who have very less volume in their hair. This gives you very good volume for like 2-3 days, and it has a strawberry very soothing, very nice smell, which is like till 3-4 days you will smell like strawberry. So it's a very good shampoo, a must try once the shampoo which you're using gets over. It is around this bottle is around 400 ml bottle, and it is 945 rupees. It is a little overpriced, but considering the qualities of the shampoo, it is totally worth it. So I would say you should definitely try this shampoo, and for oily scalp people this works amazing, and for people who don't have volume on their hair this works amazing. It also gives you a very good shine on your hair. So This is my third refill, which I always product refill, which I always do from Body Shop. And then my fourth product is, people don't use it, but I have started using it, is a hand cream. So I have not been using hand creams too much, but from past a year I have been using it, and trust me girls, everybody needs a hand cream. Why? Because we wash our, and the days like now, during, because of this COVID, we wash our face, wash our hands too often, which leaves it your skin leaves your skin your hand skin very dry, very dehydrated. So a hand cream is must, because when you apply these hand creams, it has to get dehydrated very soon and not give you that oily feeling in your palms and in your skin. So a hand cream of Body Shop Sheer hand cream is amazing, because when I apply this, I don't feel any sticking around or something, that something is there very chip on my hand. It just hydrates your skin. It gives you a little shine also. So if you are trying to buy a hand cream, a must try shea butter. This is around 400 ml and it's 745 rupees. It's again a little overpriced, but you can get it in discounts from Nykaa. They are running 20% off all the time during festive seasons, and some months they'll do that. A must try is a hand cream, because we wash our hands so much. So a hand cream. This is my refill which I do from Body Shop. So my fifth favorite product which I always will refill is this. This is a lip juicer from Body Shop, which is amazing. So this comes in this shape, and it has a very good smell, and it is called a lip balm, but it is a little tinted lip balm. This is in little pinkish and purple tint, and it feels so light. It feels sometimes like it is a matte lipstick, but it is a lip balm which will keep your skin hydrated, and it is made of blueberry and dragon fruit, which is just amazing. So this is 695 rupees for 4-gram product, but it works like a matte lipstick. It has amazing smell, and it feels so light, like you haven't applied anything, and it will keep your skin hydrated, and the tint will leave in your skin for a whole day, and it's made of natural ingredients, which is amazing. And this is a tint which it will come, and I apply this tint on my cheeks also. Sometimes I double use it. So this is my fifth product which I always refill from Body Shop. So these are the 5 products which I like to refill for sure from Body Shop, because they stand out, and they're amazing in quality, and I would recommend you to also try it, but only once when your things, which moisturizers or whatever you're using, finishes off, because you don't accumulate things and then use it. Finish it off and then maybe try these products, and you will love it too. So these were my five favorite Body Shop products which I always refill in my vanity. I hope you liked my video. If you do, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.